What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is a Mercedes kind of Christmas again. Everybody's been trading in their Mercedes for something lately. So we got the latest 2019 Mercedes GLS 450. I did a 2018 GLS 450 a couple weeks ago. That was a higher mileage one. This has got about 50,000 miles. It's a 2019, so it's a year newer. So let's check it out, compare the two, and see what's what. I'm liking this white as usual. Starting the back seats. Let's see how it goes. And let's see how the front does. This car has a couple little upgrades over the 2018 I did. Like, it's got the soft closed doors, heated and cooled seats, couple of things. Well, that shouldn't have any effect on the build quality or the materials. I think the other one had this too, but I do like the leather covering the airbag cover on the front here. Pretty nice, actually. Here's the odometer, and there goes the odometer. Never really liked on Mercedes ML, GL, GLE, GLS. This little corner of the air vent right here doesn't perfectly match up with the dash. You can see there's like a little bit of a gap going on, like right here. It's not perfectly flush, and it's not just on this car, it's all of these. Most people won't notice or care, but I notice stuff like that, and it's like, oh my god, you're killing me. And now for the button test. And now for the final button. All right, how did it do? I'm going to keep this actually pretty short and simple because this reflects basically the same as the other GLS that I've done, the 2018. Even though that car had more miles, this was very consistent with that car. So I remember for the fit and finish, that car I gave a 4 out of 10 because it was very squeaky. And this one is the same as that one, so 4 out of 10. Pretty straightforward. As far as materials go, this one is missing the wood steering wheel, which I do like, but it's not enough to really affect the score. Soft touch in a lot of the important areas, upper dash, even lower parts. Even the Lexus that I did couldn't quite do as well as that. This one at least got there. The wood that is in here is pretty nice. You already know how I feel about MB Tex on the seats. And the sun visor is crappy plastic. Not a big fan, but again, it's the same as the other car. And that other car, I gave a 6 out of 10 for materials. This car gets the same score. So there you guys have it. 4 out of 10 for fit and finish, 6 out of 10 for materials. Let me know what you guys think. All right, guys, I'll catch you next time. Peace.